Hey everyone, Trevor Bates here at PDS Equipment. Today I'm in Nashville. I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut first and then print. This is the most common question I'm getting is how do I line up my UV print to my patch that I've already cut out if I don't have a print cut system. So we're sending it to our Trotec, cutting it, and then we're going to come over here, print these outlines. I'm going to show you start to finish how we make this happen. All right. So we just cut these patches. We're going to remove them from the Trotec now. So I'm going to send that cut file straight to my machine. And we're going to print that on this sticky mat. This is a Seclima sticky mat. You can order it at JDS, Johnson Plastics, a lot of different places sell it. It's a great tool. While I was printing that outline, I want to come over here and show you guys some different stuff I've been working on. So you can see here we got texture builds we're able to do. That's just built up ink. All this is done on the Lone Star leatherette. Here we go, I'll try to zoom in so you can see these good. There you go. So these is all just texture builds. Built up black ink. These are all ready to be pressed. So y'all can see the outline's working up. So once that's done printing, this color file lines up perfectly to that cut file. So this is how I get perfect registration every single time. So I'm going to press these down now. I've got all these outlines. It's not going to be perfect because I left plenty of bleed on my file. So press them down. Good to go. So this does take a little longer, but it's not bad. All right, got all those laid out. Now we're going to send the job over. Our machines have autofocus, so it's going to automatically adjust your height for you. This full bed run, 24 patches, you're looking at around 2.5 minutes or so. You can see it working up. So these front ones are already cured. They're ready to offload. While it's still printing the back, I can be grabbing these. There you have it, finished product. Once again, Lone Star adhesive leatherette. We press this, and one full sheet, you're looking at $17 profit on each hat. That's over $400 profit in just around 5 minutes of runtime. A few minutes on the laser, a few minutes on the UV printer. This is how you scale your business, guys, and offer new products to your customers. This is Trevor Bates. Love to answer more questions, do samples for y'all. Feel free to give me a call. Y'all keep grinding.